All right, what's up everybody? How to request to take off the slide on this Little Tikes playset. How do you do it? I made a separate video on putting it together, but didn't show years ago how to actually take it off. So let's do that in this video. It looks pretty solid. If you're watching this, you probably tried to muscle it a little bit and to no avail. So what we're gonna do, get warmed up here, do a little karate / stretch, and here we go. My right hand will lift up the base of the slide, and then with my left hand, you should be able to pop that out. We'll watch that again one more time in slow motion. My right hand goes up first, lifting the base of the slide, and then the left hand and body weight kind of pushes it from the side facing me up, and it should slide right out, just like that. This is handy if you're interested in moving the unit without the slide. For transportability, you can just drag the base and pick up the slide. It's pretty lightweight. Here's how you get it back on, and hopefully this helped you out. Thanks.